as a Minister of Social Development, it really pains me to see the impact and effect on other people's lives when one individual makes a wrong decision of being involved in drug trafficking. Here we are now, as a government of South Africa, having to use resources that had to bring the child back. We needed to have social workers on the ground. We needed to make sure that social workers travel with the child. I just cannot imagine the trauma of the child itself when the child has to now be uprooted from an environment where the child was born, which also, by the way, is a very unfortunate environment, because it is very unfortunate for any baby to be born in prison. I again wish to thank the department, thank the social workers, thank everybody who has been involved in bringing the child home. But the most difficult period starts now, when the family of the one who gave birth outside of the country, when the family now have to take care of the child without the mother. That on its own is very traumatic for the child, but I also think it's going to be very difficult for the family who have to take care of this child without the mother, because they have to keep on explaining to the child what happened to the mother. This is the message that we would like to give to all South Africans across the board, and in particular young people. Being involved in drug trafficking is a crime. Being involved in drug trafficking both inside South Africa and outside South Africa is a crime. We call on all our communities to work with us as a government, not only just the Department of Social Development, as a government, to end drug trafficking, because it is too costly for the country.